Cassandra, let's be real. The Baltimore Peninsula is a massive swing. It's got a Baltimore founder, global celebrity backing,
Yes.
and it's arguably the most modern hardware the city has ever seen. Why are we calling $1 billion waterfront project a placeholder?
Because scale does not equal spirit. You can secure the largest tax break in the city's history and hire the most famous faces in the world, but if the architecture is decoupled from the existing frequency of the city, the environment won't perform.
Decoupled? It's the most connected project in Maryland.
Connected to the spreadsheet? Perhaps. But Baltimore is a city of historic bones. We have a specific material density in our brick and stone that carries the energy of generations. When you drop a hyper-modern glass box into that environment, it creates a vibrational mismatch. It feels out of place, like a piece of software that hasn't been patched to fit the operating system.
So the goal should be just keep building glass boxes until the city catches up?
The goal is to keep the energy of the city intact. At Mirror Point, we found that the most powerful move isn't to build from scratch, it's to upgrade the buildings that already exist. We are interested in the structural integrity of the stories already told by our masonry.
But upgrading old stock is slower. It's harder to scale.
The great work is always slower. We are reinstalling the original code of excellence into our existing hardware. Through Heyoka fire, we turn these existing historic structures into nodes for wholeness. We bring sound therapy and art therapy into the walls so the mind, body, and spirit are finally supported. We don't want to replace the city. We want to restore it. Welcome to the archives.